So my name's Madhya and I'm on the Retail Degree Apprenticeship Scheme. I decided to join the Retail Degree Apprenticeship Scheme because I really like working with people and I like being in a fast-paced environment where I'm able to develop my skills alongside studying. When I first came onto the scheme, I went round each department for a week, so I was able to see how they all worked. That for me was really valuable because I was able to spend time with colleagues and customer assistants and understand their point of view of the business. I've had loads of support. I've got a group of people that I really love working with and we all just bounce off each other. I'd say the highlights for me were definitely Christmas time. I think being part of MORRISONS in such a busy time of the year was great. You could really feel the Christmas spirit. Plus that was my first ever project, so it was nice to see the end result of accomplishing that too. One of the things that I'd like to do once I roll off the scheme is as an operations manager. There is the opportunity to also join the Pathways scheme towards a store manager role. I really love being around customers. I love being on the shop floor because you're putting a smile on their face when you're helping them. So being able to have that relationship with not just the customers but the colleagues as well, it really makes your day and it really makes you feel as though you're making a difference.